Guys, finally, the pinwheel bread or Saganoti is ready. Very, very ready. Hi guys, I trust you are good. On my side, I'm also doing good. In today's video, I'm going to bring something called pinwheel bread or Saganoti. You need all-purpose flour. I'll need 4 cups, milk, sugar, salt, and then yeast. Welcome, stay tuned guys. I'll need 2 bowls like this. Each bowl will take 2 cups of flour. This is the first bowl, then this is the second one. I forgot to mention about this. This is cardamom. So in each bowl, I'll add 1 teaspoon of cardamom. That is in each bowl, like that. Next, add yeast. That is 1 teaspoon of yeast in each bowl. Take note guys, in this bowl here, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of sugar. To this other bowl, I'm adding salt. 1 tablespoon of salt, like that. Then 1 tablespoon to each oil. And in another bowl, you also add 1 tablespoon of oil. You mix well. And even this one, you mix. Next, add 1 cup of warm milk to each bowl. And then you mix to form a dough. I've kneaded them into very soft dough like this. Then I'm going to cover. This is the sugar dough. I'll cover it. Then the salt dough. I'll cover it and let it rest and rise for 20 minutes. Okay. After 20 minutes, our dough has doubled in size, as you can see. You massage. Remember, this is our sugar dough. Return it to the bowl, and then this is the salt dough. Keep it back on a very clean surface. Spread the sugar dough. You spread like this. Spread the salt dough. Make sure it's the same size as the sugar dough. thinly place the salt dough on top of the sugar dough like this. Make sure it is equal in size. Just do your best. If it's stretching, stretch it. The bottom one is the sugar dough and the upper one is the salt dough. Next, start folding from one end to the other. Slowly. Just take your time.
Mom.
At the end, apply some water for sealing because we want it sealed. Not so much, just some. Then continue folding. This is the result. A log-like dough. Using a string or a thread like something like this, you can cut like this into these such shapes. But for my case, let me use a sharp knife. Cut gently, don't press it. Don't be in a hurry, guys. Then heat oil to medium. After that, you do this. You have to deep fry until golden. When one side is cooked like this golden brown, turn to the other side for it to cook as well. Remember, it's on a medium-low heat. Let the oil not be so hot. You can see the result, guys. One just burned, but we are doing good. No worry. Just look at this one, guys. I don't know if it's number 6 or 9.
It's number 6 or 9.
Just look at it, guys. I think they are done. It's time to remove them from the oil. Wow. Repeat the same. See how beautiful they are coming out, guys. Wow, this is just wonderful. I love it. I love each and every part of this. This vlog is just an amazing one. Wow. Guys, finally, the pinwheel bread or Saganoti is ready. Very, very ready, guys. Just see. Have a look. Very yummy, guys. Now, you see the darker part is the sugar dough. This dark part here, this one here, is the sugar dough. And the light part, this lighter one, let me show you this one very well. You see the light part here, this light part is the salt dough, guys. Just make sure you follow the right procedure and everything will come out perfect like mine. Wow, guys. But let me surprise you guys. Let me just surprise you. Do you know this is my first time doing this? Actually, if you have a passion in something, whenever you try it, it comes out very nicely. It's actually my first time and I have done this. Now, just think about the next time, how it goes. Thank you so much for following. Continue subscribing, like, share, comment, and if this video pops on your timeline for the first time, consider subscribing. For my new subscribers, I love you so much. I dedicate this video to you. I love you. I love you. Thanks for coming. And for my returning subscribers, you are so much welcome to enjoy with me the Saganoti. Just see from inside how it is, guys. It's cooked. Very yummy. Thanks, guys. See you again in the next video. I always post daily. Bye for now. Take care. May God bless you so much. I love you all. See you. Just try it.